The system includes a module entirely dedicated to the planning and management of activities. The agenda. In this section, you can have an overview of all the activities planned by you or your colleagues with candidates, clients, or even on a personal level, such as, for example, for an internal meeting or a day off. Opening a new activity is very easy. You just have to decide who you want to play in an activity with and plan in with all the necessary details. You can even decide to open a new activity directly from the candidate's or the client's profile using this calendar icon. In addition, the agenda can be easily integrated with third ones, such as Outlook. The activities entered on the system's agenda will also be synchronized directly on your agenda to manage the planning in a more effective way.